Alright guys, so it's the next day and back here, and I just finished up washing the 8335, touched it up, and it is ready to go into the shop right here. I just got one thing to do, and I'm gonna do that right now. I gotta take the monitor out of this 8235 because we don't like to leave these monitors in here when we're storing them. Hopefully my shoes aren't too dirty because I got the floor pretty clean in here. Oh well. Give it a shot. Well, they aren't too bad. Anyways, so all it takes to take this off is, let me flip my mic around. All it takes to take this off is your hand, pretty much. And you just unscrew this, but first I'm gonna unhook the wires back here. So let me get over here to them. Unscrew this little thing. So, okay. Now we got it. Stick this back on here. And now the monitor's out. I'll tuck these wires around here, get them out of the way so we can see the display screen, and we should be good to go now. I don't know what our problem is this year, but it seems like this year, this has never happened before, but these monitors, they are starting to leak out some kind of, like, I don't know if it's like a glue that they have on them or something, but it's right here and it's really sticky, and it's doing it on like all of our monitors, our 2630s, because the one in the 8335 is doing it, the one in here is doing it. I'm pretty sure the one in the 8430 wasn't, but I'm not sure, I might be wrong. So I'm not sure what's up with that. I'm gonna try to clean it off. I think it's just because, I mean, I don't know if it was just so hot that when they were sitting outside that they just started to melt. I don't know. We didn't have any trouble with them. I mean, they've been working okay, so I'm not really sure what's going on there, but I'm gonna have to clean that off, and because it's real sticky when you try to put your hand on there to hit it, it's real sticky. So I'm gonna work on that, clean that off real quick, and then I'm gonna get a few people to help me, and we'll just take this out of here, and then we're gonna put the 8335 in here. Alright guys, so we haven't got those tractors rearranged yet, but I'm up here, I'm working on our fence again. I got this rigged up to where this is coming down from the electric fence over here, and I'm gonna hook this to right there. But I need to tighten it up because it's already tight through the rest of it, and I'm just gonna undo that knot right there, and then just kind of push it back a little bit, get a little bit tighter. So I'm gonna do that, and then me and Cody are gonna go finish putting up the wire. We already got all the posts set up last night. He went and got some more posts, so we got those all set up. So all we gotta do is just string the wire.
All right, everybody. So we got Brad here on his thing. I'll catch up to him. And we're unrolling the wire for our sweet corn fence thing. Or yeah, our fence for keep the coons out. If I'll catch up to him real quick. And he's got a pretty good rig. It's hooked to a couple eye bolts. It works very well. I would have never thought of it. But now we gotta go down here, and I think we're gonna have to unroll it by hand. So we'll let you know what we have to do in a minute.
Alright guys, so we got all of the wires strung out, and we got it all in the post. So now Cody's gonna come up here and weed eat, because there's a bunch of weeds and stuff down through there that they need to be taken down before we can even stretch the fence, because it's messing with the fence. So he's gonna come through and weed eat all that, and then I might come help him. I don't know. I need a drink, so I'm gonna go back to the farm, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. Alright guys, so me and Cody have been weed eating for a little bit. I've actually had the edger with like metal blades, and I was taking out some of the big stuff over there. Now we just went back, took a little bit of a break because it is 90 out here today, and yeah, it's pretty hot. So we just went back and took a little break. I brought back the actual other weed eater, so now we just got to go along here all the way down to where Cody is, if you can see him. Just gotta go under that fence and just weed eat under it, and then Nick's gonna come through and spray it. So we're just gonna spray a little stream under there, spray it all dead, and then we won't have to worry about it. So then we'll be able to mow on the outside of it, and we won't have to worry about it. So alright, almost done. Came up here to get a new battery. This is a Milwaukee 12-0 battery. It was only at 3/4 the way charged, and I did all the way down through there where you saw me. I mean, that stuff was pretty thick. So those battery powered ones, they last a long time, longer than you would think they would. So if I would have had a full charged battery, I probably could have made it all the way down there and met up with Cody. But anyways, I brought another battery with me. Same one, it has the same amount of charge, 3/4 way charge. So that should finish us up there. I got a little bit of touching up here at the top I want to do right here, and then we should be done. Worn out yet?
Yeah, I'm worn out.
Yeah. Alright, we got done weed eating, and now we're just tensioning the fence. We got it all tensioned on 3 corners, just so we got to finish that one corner. And Cody went to shut the fence off on the cow pasture so he can hook it up and tighten it down and everything. So he just went to do that. So now I'm going to meet him down there. I'm going to take the 4-wheeler down there to the other end, and we're going to work on that. And then we should be done with this fence and keep the raccoons out of our sweet corn patch then. Alright, so we got everything done here. Didn't take us very long. So, well, no, just to do this. To get this all rigged up. So this is our other wire. I like this wire better because it's just easier to work with. It's easier to tie a knot in this than it is on this stuff here. But it works okay. I got it coming down from our electric fence here, and Cody's got that off so we can touch it and everything. I got it tensioned down, and we should be all good to go all the way through here. We have some of this white rope. I don't like it as much, but
it goes for about.
But this is a really good way to keep them out. We just turn the electric on, and now we have electric all the way through here. So I think we bought everything we used for this at Tractor Supply. So this is a good way to keep anything out of your sweet corn patch, your little, raccoons or other little animals out of your garden, your sweet corn patch. Works pretty good. Yeah, you can get pretty much everything we got at Tractor Supply or Rural King or Orscheln or something like that. So anyways, I think we got it all good. So we're gonna go turn the electric on, and it should be good to go.
Tester.
Yeah. I guess I should probably show you guys the post that we're using since I showed you the wire. Here's the wire. Here's the post right here. It's just the plastic post, and it just has these little clips on it. I have it clipped on the very bottom one, and I do not want to touch it right now because Cody has it on. And it just has this little foot peg, and there's a metal stake on the bottom, and you just drive it in with your foot. And if you can't get it, I just used a rubber hammer, and that worked good. And I just put a little pressure on it with my foot, and then hit it with a rubber hammer, and that seemed to work pretty good. So I can hear that it's on because I can hear it snapping, because it's hitting this little leaf of this corn here. So we should be good to go. I'll unhook this and I'll kick that little leaf off there. But this seemed to work pretty good the other year. Didn't do it last year, we did it the year before. and we had a lot of raccoon problems last year, so decided to do it again. So I think it's going to work pretty good. All right, so we're officially done. I went ahead and put a handle on this side so we can completely disconnect it, and then we don't have to worry about it. We can shut it off if we want to. We can just unhook both those, and then we don't have to worry about it being on. So you don't have to worry about shutting off the big fence. We should be all good to go. So I can hear it clicking, so it's on, and it's gonna be keeping the raccoons out now. So shouldn't have any problems with that. Nick came through and sprayed it, so it should all be dead. We won't have to worry about anything coming back under it. We'll take this down once we get done picking the sweet corn. So anyways, I guess that's it for building fence here. Alright, we're gonna switch these tractors. You probably can't see me very well because I just got in here and my lens fogged up, so we're gonna switch these real quick. Can't even see anything. Okay, anyways, we're gonna switch these. So I'll get back with you when I get this pulled in there. Alright, we got it pulled in here. Yeah, I'm just this good that I got it this close. I actually guessed that. I didn't even have anybody watching me. But anyways, another thing I did today on accident was I broke off the little hood marker. I'll show you. I was brushing on the hood when I was washing it off, and I barely even touched it with it, and I knocked it off. So had him order me one. It broke the little tabs off at the bottom, so had Ethan order me one, and that'll probably be here tomorrow or so. So it's not a big deal. It's nothing we really need right now. Okay, so I'm in Cody's tractor, the 8235, and I'm gonna take it up there to the shed for storage until we need it this fall. So I'm gonna head up there, and then we're gonna put it in the barn up there. So that's where it's gonna stay at till fall, and then I'm not sure. I guess we're gonna go home after that. I don't know. This thing's so shiny. Look at the hood. It's like a mirror. I'm happy with what that McGuire's did for that hood. That wax did real good. Oh. Hello there. Huh? Hi. Hey. Look at it. They're so shiny. This one more than that one, but this is the one we waxed. We'll wax that one next year, maybe. Alright, I'm up here. She got the barn doors open, and we're gonna put this planter in here. I don't know why I said we, because it's just me until my dad gets up here to pick me up. Alright, I think I'm gonna put it right there next to the corn planter. It'd be easy out of the way. There's not really anything else that's go in here, so I'm not really too worried about the space. So I'll just back it in here as best I can, and then we will be good. Turn the radio off. Alright, I'm gonna back this in here, and then I'll get back with you once I get it in there. I never actually knew this, but on an 8R, your hydraulics and your PTO and your throttle and your 3-point, they all light up. I never knew that there were actually lights in there. I don't know. I never knew that. Anyways, that's kind of besides the point. I got this in here, so I'm going to shut these lights off and shut it off for the last time until this fall. Or unless we have to move it up here somewhere or something. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm going to shut the disconnect off since it's going to be sitting here for so long. Just want to make sure that the battery don't go dead. It's always a good idea to shut the disconnect off when you're storing it. just so you don't have to worry about battery going dead. If it has one, might as well just shut it off. I guess it's the next day, but I'm gonna finish this video off. We got those tractors in the shop, got everything done yesterday that we really wanted to get done, so I guess it's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And here's a little bit of a hint what we're doing in the next video.